A language is born. Introducing C. C is a programming language. It was created in the 1970s. Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs developed it. C was designed to be powerful and flexible. It became popular for system programming. It was used to write the Unix operating system. C's efficiency and portability made it a favorite. Today, C remains a cornerstone of the programming world. It is used in many applications. These include operating systems, embedded systems, and game development. C's legacy continues to inspire new generations of programmers. Learning C provides a strong foundation in computer science. The power of programming. Learning C offers numerous benefits. It provides a deep understanding of how software interacts with hardware. C gives you control over memory management. This is crucial for system programming and performance optimization. C is a compiled language. This means it is converted directly into machine code. This results in fast and efficient programs. C is a standardized language. This ensures portability across different systems. Code written on one machine can be easily compiled and run on another. Mastering C opens doors to a wide range of programming careers. It equips you with essential skills in demand across various industries. Building blocks. Understanding C syntax. C has a simple and elegant syntax. It uses a combination of keywords, operators, and punctuation. Keywords are reserved words with specific meanings in C. Operators perform operations on data. For example, plus is used for addition and minus for subtraction. Punctuation marks like semicolons and curly braces define the structure of your code. Data types in C represent different kinds of values. These include integers, floating point numbers, and characters. Variables are used to store data in a program. Understanding these basic elements is essential for writing C programs. Writing your first C programs. Hello World. Let's start with a classic example. The Hello World program. This simple program prints the text Hello World to the console. Hash include int main, print Hello World, return 0. This program demonstrates several key concepts. The directive includes the standard input-output library. The function is the entry point of every C program. The function prints text to the console. The is a new line character. It moves the cursor to the next line. Section 5C in Action Real-World Applications. C's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. It is used in operating systems like Linux, Windows, and macOS. C is also used in embedded systems. These are found in devices like cars, appliances, and industrial equipment. C is popular for game development. It allows for efficient rendering and physics calculations. C's performance and low-level access make it ideal for these demanding applications. Section 6, C, the foundation of modern programming. C has had a profound influence on other programming languages. Many popular languages like C++, Java, and Python borrow heavily from C's syntax and concepts. Understanding C gives you a deeper appreciation for how these languages work. It also makes it easier to learn and transition between different programming languages. C's legacy lives on in the countless software applications and systems we use every day. Section 7. Learning resources, your path to C mastery. There are numerous resources available to help you learn C. Books like C Primer Plus and the C programming language are excellent starting points. Online tutorials, courses, and coding platforms provide interactive learning experiences. Practice is key to mastering C. Start with small programs and gradually work your way up to more complex projects. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Section 8. Challenges and rewards, the C programming journey. Learning C can be challenging, but it is also incredibly rewarding. C requires attention to detail and a good understanding of computer fundamentals. Debugging C code can be tricky. It often involves understanding memory management and pointers. However, the problem-solving skills you develop along the way are invaluable. The satisfaction of creating something from scratch using C is an experience like no other. Section 9. Conclusion. Unlock your potential with C. Mastering C programming opens up a world of possibilities. It equips you with essential skills for a successful career in software development and beyond. C's influence on the world of technology is undeniable. Its legacy continues to shape the way we interact with computers and the digital world. Embrace the challenge, dive into the world of C, and unlock your full potential as a programmer.